Take a ride in the 2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, XM satellite radio, leather trim seats, traction control, remote engine start, stability control, heated seats, backup camera, cruise control, universal garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.